Hi, I'm going to record a very short tutorial about Padlet. If you don't have a Padlet account, it's really very easy to create. Uh, Go to padlet.com, sign up uh, using your email, and then start creating your notice boards. Padlet is really a nice tool that can help us during these days because students can produce their texts very easily. Once you are in the dashboard, you can choose Make a Padlet. There are some alternatives here. I usually use the wall or the grid, sometimes shelf if you're categorizing things. The grid is better because it looks more organized. So I'm going to choose this one now. Once you're in the Padlet notice board, you can customize it. So I'm going to start with this red one. I'm not going to use this one. You can use textures, or you can use pictures, or even you can add your own pictures. So I'm going to choose this one now. Then you can write the title of your board. You can say, for example, story here. Change the description, maybe saying that you need 3 words. And then you can change this address. If you're not using any online tool that you can share the link, it's better to change this one, saying, for example, story. So it will be easy to share in this way. You can arrange this. You can arrange the fonts as well. You can make it safe. You can open it to comments, so the students can write comments to their to their friends' posts. You can ask them to give their reactions. They can put likes, or they can vote. They can give stars. You can just remind them that they must be positive to each other. If you like, you can use this too, but I don't think that they will try these kinds of things. And then the wall will be ready to post. All you have to do is to double click on it. Then there will be a post-it note here. You can tell your students that they have to write a title here. And then here, they can start typing their story. Or whatever you want them to write. So they can continue like this, and this will look arranged in this way. They can add photos here. They can share some links or upload any files. I mean, if there is a Word document or a PDF document that you want to share on the Padlet, you can still do it. As I said, you can only keep 3 notice boards here. So what you have to do is you can export it and save as a PDF or an image. And then you can have it for later use, maybe. That's all for now. I hope it will be useful. I hope you will be able to use it with your students. I used it today. at least I saw that they're working, because they're in front of their desktops or cameras, but they are reluctant to share their faces with us. And sometimes I worry that they're not in the room. They just left the session open and then left the room. So this way, at least I know that they're doing something in the classroom. That's all for now. So see you in real time. Bye.